This is how to install a USB power port on your Aprilia RSV4 motorcycle. For this installation, I'll be using a 2019 Aprilia RSV4 RF1100 factory motorcycle. Depending on how long of a trip you're going on, you may want to have a USB port to power anything from perhaps a radar detector, some kinds might take it, to charging your phone, or even GoPros, the Sena device on your helmet, a number of things. And Aprilia does make a device that you can buy. I think it only cost me about 20 bucks or so, that installs on this motorcycle real easily and gives you a little bit of a covered USB port for any kind of charging use. The shield will have to be removed to access the power ports. And pay attention, each screw has a little washer with it for the windshield. Now there's 4 screws there, and then you have 2 holes down here as well, and they fall into place on these tabs that are difficult to see, but they're right inside here. And you can see that the screen has the washers, rubber washers, grommets, I guess you'd call them, on each of the 6 locations. Kind of hard to see, but this is the tab for those lower pair of holes on the screen, and the same ones over there. Now, it's been a while since I did this install, but I believe this thing has a little bracket, and there's a pocket right back here. And in that, I believe there's a bolt that goes through it and a little square nut that goes on the back side. Coming around to the front, the power lead from the USB port is a connector that goes into a 12-volt switch power connector up here in the front of the bike, so it's very easy. It's made to go in there. You're not poking around with voltmeter trying to guess where it goes, although you should use a voltmeter to make sure you've got the right port, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Plug it in there. Making sure your grommets are all in place and in good condition. On the screen, you then find those little tabs in here. Make sure you're clearing your cables, not pinching any of those. There's that one. And that one. So that should all fit nice and tight there. Just put the same 4 bolts and washers. Don't have to over crank these, but get them snug enough. And there you go. And your new shield is in place. Your USB charging port is in place. You can see that right there. This is the old USB, not the USB-C. But that's ready to charge your accessories now. If you haven't done so, please click the link below, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and let's live for today.